Hi, it's Natalie Critchley from nataliecritchley.com in Northern Virginia. Thanks for being here today. Today we're going to talk about, is it time for a Facebook business page for your business? And before we get started, if you have not been to our YouTube channel before and would love to subscribe, you can just hit that red button below. And if you feel so inclined, we'd love to have you hit the little red bell button right next to it, and we'll send you new videos immediately. So let's get started. Is it time for your business or your brand to have a Facebook business page? Well, for most, absolutely yes. One, it's going to generate more leads, more traffic, more conversation engagement with you and people you have not met yet, as well as people you know, like, and trust. And it will begin to set up the process if you want to run Facebook ads later on to generate even more revenue, very targeted ads. You'll need a Facebook business page. So with that being said, let's go ahead and see how easy it is to set up a business page for your business. So what you're going to do is you're going to open your Facebook profile. You're going to hit the create button and you're going to select page. This is a business page. I'm going to set up a page for my brand. I'm launching a new website in a couple weeks. Whoops. And I'm just going to call this, because I already have the page set up, I'm just going to call it Natalie Critchley Travel, because this one has not been set up yet, and my category is travel. I'm just going to say it's a travel company. Oh, I put that in there earlier. So Natalie Critchley Travel now. So it is thinking to see who has set up this page. So here we go. This is the beginning of setting up a page. So it's really important. You're going to want to upload a Facebook profile page. So I just put a couple pictures at the bottom here. So let's open that. And upload a cover photo, which I'm just going to go ahead and pick this. And while Facebook is doing its magic in the back, you'll see I have a picture here, which is super important that, you know, people can see who you are. And it wants me to add a cover again. So I'm going to X that out for right now. We're going to add a cover. I'm going to upload a photo. I'm going to upload that. Hit open. Voila! That's my new website I'm launching called Travel is Beautiful. So with that being said, there are a few things that we can do here. It's really, really super important that you start posting on your new page. So today might be a welcome to my page. How about welcome to my new page? Visit for travel tips and tricks to make your next vacation the best ever. There we go. So then we want to just hit publish. So there you go. There's our first post on this particular page. My picture. It's super important that you put your picture on there. You also want to, we want to get in here. You want to go to the About page, and you clearly want to fill this out as much as you can. Right? You want to put your start date, your mission date. You want to put a phone number in here. You want to put an email. You want people to reach out and connect with you. So this is the part that you will have to connect with and do. Make sure you have all this information available when you start. It's way easier if you have everything kind of lined up and ready to go. You can also load some photos in the back. If you want to put some photos in here, go back to your home page. Now you'll want to get your page verified. And this is important. So we want to go into the settings, and sometimes there will be a note here that says verify your page. And if you don't have it, that's okay. you may need to get some likes and visibility before Facebook is going to allow you to verify. So right now I don't have that. So I would have to go out and get some likes. So when we go out and get some likes, we are going to go over and ask our friends on this page to like our page. Or you can take the next step and set up a Facebook business ads account through the Business Manager and start a likes campaign to generate likes. The more likes you have, Facebook then becomes and knows you are real. So, you know, the easiest point is to go out, share with some friends, you need 25, basically to become verified, so to speak. And this number is ever changing, right? So you have to stay in tune with Facebook. Facebook has all kinds of helps. How do I turn off? You know, all these questions. You want to get back in here and read. It's very, very important that you do that. When Facebook gives you an opportunity, I'm not going to publish this. I'm going to cancel this because this is not going to be a real page. But just by virtue of setting this up, I wanted to be able to show you just how quickly and easily you can set up your own page for your own business. And you should. You can get in here and you can create your own cover. You can put whatever your message is, you know, whether it's dating, you're a dog lover, you're an IT company, whatever it is. You can go to Fiverr, have a little cover created for $10, $15. You can have a quick little picture taken, get a professional picture, get a picture that represents what you're doing. And then right here in this button, you can invite your friends to come and share your page. And this is where you will get those likes. So it's super easy. It doesn't take a lot of time, but it's very important if you're launching a business. If you're jumping online for the first time, you'll want to have a page. So just make sure that you're just following Facebook rules. Get in there and just try it, right? You're not going to hurt anything, but you've got to try it. That's the key. So that's it for now. Just want to shoot a quick video. Is it time to set up that page? Yes, it is. We're almost in 2019. And if you want your business to grow and you want to generate more leads and more revenues and more clicks, you got to have a Facebook page just to get it going, and then you can expand to other platforms and start targeting with Facebook ads. So that's it for now. Thanks again. And, you know, by the way, remember, please, if you like what you saw today, if you saw value in this video, please hit that red subscribe button. We'd love to see more of you and would love to share our videos with you. So we'll see you on the next video. Take care.